Hello guys, good evening. I am CMA Rathna here. As you know, the topic for the today is contract costing. This is a live third day session for the CMA intermediate costing. Right, this is completely examination oriented one. Super quick revision we can say. This is a completely examination oriented one. So if you pay attention, if you be with me at least for 2 hours, then this chapter will be finished. So this is a super quick revision, I can tell you in one word. The topic name is contract costing. Sometimes you get the question from the contract costing for 8 marks. So should not leave this topic. Yeah, I'll read the question in the answer itself from the ICMA material only. I have chosen the ICMA material. I am explaining you from the ICMA material, that is from our material only. I'll read the question. I'll explain you the answer in the answer itself, in the textbook itself. Right? So guys, please pay attention. A firm of builders carrying out large contracts kept in contract ledger separate accounts for each contract on 30th June 2017. The following were shown as being the expenditure in connection with the contract number so and so. Right? See here, material purchased is given, material issued to the stores given, plant which has been used on the other contracts is given, additional plant is given, wages given, direct expenses, proportionate establishment expenses given. The contract which had commenced on 1st February 2017, see, when the date comes, you try to underline the dates. When the specifically is asking, he is giving the dates, in the sense he will be trying to check for the depreciation. Like a depreciation is used for 3 months, 4 months, something like that. He will give in terms of the months, like the plant was started, the contract was started on so and so, but plant has been purchased on this date, something like that they will give. So you pay attention for the dates. The contract which had commenced on 1st February 2017 was for 6 lakhs, and the amount certified by the architect after deduction of 20% retention money was this much, the work being certified on 30th June 2017. The material on site were 19,716 were site. A contract plant ledger was also kept in which depreciation was dealt with monthly. The amount debited in respect of that account is this much. Prepare contract account showing the profit on the contractor. Right, this is the first question for the topic. See here, see material purchased 1,16,126 material purchased. Material issued, this is also expenditure, 19,570. Plant which has been used for this much, but when the plant information is given, opening plant is given and depreciation rate is given. Where is the depreciation rate? Somewhere he has given the depreciation rate. Okay, I'll tell you a bit later for this depreciation. Put it aside. So opening material we have taken, and the material purchased we have taken from this, and additional plant is this much. See, this is a plant purchased. The plant which has been used on the other contracts is this one, additional plant is this one, wages this much, 1,47,268 is the wages, you take it. Direct expenses, you take it. Proportionate establishment expenses, this one you take it. So you got everything this side except this depreciation. I'll tell you what is this depreciation treatment also. Wait a second. Next, coming to this one, this side, the contract which had commenced on 1st February 2017, okay, for the 6 lakhs rupees. if possible, you write contract price is 6 lakhs rupees, somewhere like this. Contract price is 6 lakhs rupees, and the amount of work certified by the architect after deduction of 20% retention money is this much. How much? Cash paid after deduction of 20% of retention money is 2,41,600. See, what is saying after deduction of 20% retention money, in the sense this is only representing 80%. So working progress, I can say 2,41,600 divided by 80%, because 20% was retention money, they kept it. So 2,41,600 divided by 80%, that is 3,02,000 rupees. 3,02,000 rupees is the working progress. This one. Next one. The details of material on cert were, in the sense this is the closing material, 19,716 rupees. This is a closing material. A contract plant ledger was also kept, in which the depreciation was dealt with monthly. The amount debited in respect of this one is this one. See, he is clearly giving the information for the depreciation, 2,260 rupees, this one. Right, this is a depreciation, you got it. So what is the information left over? You got proportionate expenses from the question itself, direct expenses, direct wages, depreciation, and material used and material purchased. Working progress also you got it, and material stock is also got it. So this is a balancing figure. See, actually this is the information wrongly mentioned here. This should be written in the inner side. P&L 8,000 and remaining 7,000 to the reserve, but here it is mentioned wrongly. If you remove this 8,000 rupees, you will get this balancing figure. So that one you check it. Directly you can write 15,000 rupees to the reserve. No need to write this one. Right. Next question. A contractor has undertaken a construction work at a price of 5 lakhs rupees and begun the execution of work on 1st January 2016. The following are the particulars of the contract up to 31st December 2016. See, the contract has started on 1st January 2016 and ended on 31st December 2016. It means the contract for 1 year. Right. Next one. Machinery is given. Machinery, that is a plant, is given. Material, wages, direct expenses, work uncertified, outstanding wages, value of the plant is given, and overheads, material return, work certified, cash received, and material as on 31st December, that is a closing stock, is also given. Right. So it was decided that the profit made on the contract in the year should be arrived at by deducting the cost of work certified from the total value of the architect's certificate. That 1/3 of the profit so arrived at should be regarded as a provision against the contingencies, and that such provision should be increased by taking to the credit of the profit and loss account only such portion of 2/3 of the profits as cash received to the work certified. Okay. I'll show you in the answer itself. Okay. What are the elements we will take? The expenditure completely. First we will take material. Material 1,70,698. 1,70,698. Wages 1,48,750, plus there is a outstanding wages. This one also you add it. So how much you will get? 1,48,750 plus 5,380, that is 1,51,000 put together. 1,54,000. 1,54,130 is the wages. 1,54,130 is the wages. You got it. Next one, direct expenses 6,334, right? Next, work uncertified Work uncertified should be this side. Work uncertified, this one. Work uncertified 9,000. 9,000 we got. So I'll put a mark here so that you can also correlate. Next one. Wages outstanding we have already taken into consideration. Plant closing value of the plant is given 22,000. We will come to this one bit later. This plant and this machinery bit later. And overheads 8,252. Overheads 8,252. Done. Material return to the maybe stores or maybe to the other contract 1,098. Material return 1,098. Work certified 3,90,000. Work certified 3,90,000. Material cash received we will not write in the contract account. Always remember, we will not write cash received information. So we will not write. Material as on 31st December, that is nothing but the closing one, 3766, 3766. So everything we got, only the depreciation machinery information we didn't get. So what is the machinery? The machinery 30,000 rupees. Okay, 30,000 rupees machinery we got. See, this is the opening machinery and this is the closing machinery, 31st December 2016. So here, this is the opening machinery. You write this 30,000 in the opening one. This is the closing machinery ending 22,000. You write 22,000 plant and machinery. So everything you got, this one also you got. Now you do the balancing figure, you will get the answer. So you will get the profit. How much profit you will get? You will get the profit. I'll do the calculations. This side we got this one minus this all expenditure. So you got this one as a profit. See, for this, one thing you need to know here, for this, the profit and loss, like the amount, what is amount transferred to the P&L should be, first you need to check what is the work certified. This is a work certified, and what is the contract price? The contract price somewhere given, contract price is 5 lakhs rupees. If the contract percentage is, see, I'll show you here only. See, here in the question itself it is given. See, if the contract is completed, means work in progress when compared with the contract price, if it is less than 25%, then don't transfer anything to the P&L. Don't transfer anything to the P&L. Everything you put in the reserves. If the percentage of completion is above 25% and less than 50%, then you transfer one third of the cash received, one third of the profit. I'll write up to 25%. Degree of the completion of the project is, or the contract is 25%, up to 25%, nil to be transferred to the P&L. If it is 25% to 50%, then one third of profit, that is a notional profit, one third of notional profit into cash received by work certified. If it is above 2/3 of profit, that is a notional profit, NP, I'll write cash received by work certified. So how to check the percentage of completion of work? I'll show you here. I'll show you. See, come back everyone. Here, work certified is 3,90,000. 3,90,000 work certified. And contract price is 5 lakhs. The percentage is how much? 3,90,000 divided by 5 lakhs is nothing but 7.8. So, then you 2/3 of notional profit into cash received by work certified. If you do this one, sorry. If you do this one, if you substitute this one, that one in this formula, you will get this answer. Or else I'll show you 2/3 of, what is the notional profit we got? This is the notional profit we got, 56,450. This is the notional profit we got into what is the cash received? Cash received somewhere it is given. Cash received is given here 3,60,000. 3,60,000 cash received. And work certified is 3,90,000. Yes, you got, this is the amount to be transferred to the P&L, that is 34,378. The difference between the notional profit minus transfer to the P&L will be your reserve, transfer to the reserve account. Guys, if you are understanding, please try to respond me. So, this is a question. You can expect this question for the 6 marks or sometimes for the 8 marks also. Right. Next one. A contractor commenced the work on a particular contract on 1st April 2016. He usually closes his books of accounts for the year ended on 31st December for each year. Okay. The following information is revealed from his costing records on 31st December 2016. Okay. He started the contract on 1st April, but he is closing the books of accounts on 31st December. Right. Material sent to the site is this much, engineering is this much, labor is this much. A machine costing 30,000 remained in use on site for 1/5 of the year. Okay. Its working life was estimated at 5 years and the scrap value is 2,000 rupees. A supervisor is paid 2,000 rupees per month and had devoted 1/2 of his time on the contract. Only 50% of the time he spent on the contract. All other expenses were 14,000 and the material on the site were this much. This is the closing stock. The contract price was this much. On 31st December 2016, 2/3 of the contract was completed. Only 2/3 of the contract was completed. However, the architect gave certificate only for the 2 lakhs rupees, on which 80% was paid. Prepare a contract account. Okay. Try to understand the question here. See, material. What is the material? 43,000. You write 43,000. Engineering and labor 12,620 and 1,02,220. These two we got it. And machine is 30,000. Scrap value is 2,000. And the working life of the machine is 5 years. And only 1/5 of the year it is used. Means 1,120 rupees is the depreciation. See, the explanation is given here. Right. Next one, supervisor salary. Supervisor 2,000 rupees per month and he is devoting 1/2 of his time for the project. So, the project was there only for the 9 months. If you see, from the April to December, only 9 months we have. 9 months. 9 months into 2,000 rupees per month is salary. 2,000 rupees per month is salary and he is devoting only 1/2. 50% of the salary belongs to, 50% of his salary should be the expenditure for this particular project. or for the contract. 9 into 2000 into 1 by 2. That is nothing but 9,000 rupees. You got it? And next, other expenses were 14,000 and material at site is 2,500. 14,000 other expenses and 2,500 other material at site. This one and this one we got it. Work certified and uncertified, where it is? The contract price was 4 lakhs rupees. You write somewhere here contract price 4 lakhs rupees. Right. On 31st December 2016, on 31st December 2016, 2/3 of the contract was completed. 2/3 of the contract. 2/3 of the contract. So I'll write here only 2/3 of the contract was completed. 2/3 of the contract was completed. However, the architect has given certificate only for the 2 lakhs rupees. See, this question is again important, guys. I'm telling you, in the examination you can expect this question. You can put 2 to 3 stars for this question. Only small twist. If you understand that twist, the problem is very much easy. So you can expect this type of problem also in the examination. What is this? See, 2/3 of the work is completed. 2/3 of the work from the total contract, 2/3 of the work is completed. But he accepted, he gave the architect has given the certificate for the only 2 lakhs when the contract price was 4 lakhs. In the sense 50% only certified. In the sense remaining 50% is not certified. So come back here. Come back here. See, 2/3 of the work is completed. When for completing the 2/3 of the work, what is the cost we have incurred? How to calculate the cost? Come here. Calculation of the cost. Here, this total minus work certified, anyhow it is given 2 lakhs rupees. You have already written 2 lakhs rupees, and material at site is also given 2 lakhs 2,500, and uncertified only you don't know. That's what we need to find out here. Now calculate what is the cost we have incurred to complete the 2/3 of the project. So 43,000 plus 12,620 plus 1,02,200, sorry, 1,02,020, no, 43,000 plus 12,620 plus 1,02,220 plus 1,120 plus 9,000 plus 14,000 minus this 2 lakhs minus 2,500. I'll tell you. Wait a second, guys. See, not this one. See, to complete 2/3 of the work. See, he said 2/3 of the work is completed. He said 2/3 of the work is completed from the overall project, overall contract. 2/3 of the work is completed. For that, this is the expenditure we have incurred. See, this is the expenditure we have incurred for the completion of 2/3. So, for the remaining one, what is the expenditure to be incurred? We will see. But here, try to understand everyone. This is a bit important one. For completion of the 2/3, we incurred 1,77,460. You add this total and minus this closing stock, you will get this 1,77,460. Right? What is the percentage of the work completed actually? Certified? One second only. That is a one off. So 2/3 is completed actually. 2/3 of the work is completed, but 1/2 of the work is certified. In the sense, remaining is the uncertified. So 2/3 is completed from our end, completed, but 1/2 only certified. It means remaining is the completed minus certified is the uncertified. So 2/3 minus 1/3 equal to 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 2 3s are 6. That is a 1/6. So 1/6 is the uncertified one. See, this is only the twist here. This is only the twist for this you will get in the examination, you will get this question. You will get this question. This question sometimes will be asked for the 6 marks, sometimes will be asked for the 8 marks also. So come here. So what is the value of uncertified? Uncertified. How to calculate it? Cross multiply it. You will get the answer, this one as a work uncertified. So this is a work uncertified, you got it. When you got the work uncertified, then what you need to do? You need to calculate what is the profit you got it. So this is the profit you got. Once again, I will also do the calculation for you. This is the profit you got. But how much should be transferred to the P&L and how much should be transferred to the reserves and surpluses? That is what the question once again. So what we need to do? I told you. You check percentage or the degree of completion. Percentage of completion. Percentage of completion. How to check? What is a work in progress and what is a contract price? Work in progress is 2 lakhs rupees here and contract price is 4 lakhs rupees. So it is only the 50%. If it is the 50%, you need to transfer only up to 50%. So up to 50% you will transfer only 1/3. Above 50% you will transfer 2/3. So the calculation here is this is a notional profit we got. The balancing figure. The balancing figure, this is the notional profit we got. Now from this notional profit, what is the amount to be transferred to the P&L? Is notional profit into 1/3, that is a 2/3 into cash received by work certified. Cash received by work certified. So notional profit here is 66,905 into 2/3 of cash received. How much? Cash received 80% was paid. On which 80% was paid? Means 2 lakhs into 80%, how much? 2 lakhs into 80%, that is 1,60,000 was paid. Work certified was 2 lakhs rupees. So ₹35,683 is the amount to be transferred to the P&L. Remaining amount is to be transferred to the reserves. Guys, are you understanding? ठीक है. Right. Any doubt? Try to respond me. Okay. We'll go to the next question. The following figures are supplied to you by contractor for the year ending 31st December 2016. See, work in progress on 31st December 2015. See, this is the information provided by the contractor for the 31st December 2016. So this is a 2016, but this working progress is on 31st December 2015. So this one will become the opening for the next year. That is for the opening for the this year. So right, working progress, that is the opening one. By seeing these dates only, you need to understand what is the opening and what is the closing one. Opening working progress is this much, and the cash received 55,000 in the last year only. This is a 55,000 was received. Wages this much, material bought, working experience, expenses, material issued from the stock, administrative expenses, 250 are chargeable to profit and loss account. Means out of this 1250, only 250 is chargeable to the P&L. In the sense, rest of the amount is to be charged to the particular contract. Plant is this much. Material returned to the supplier is this one. Material returned to the supplier, it is a returns. Material returned to the stores, work certified, contract finished, this is a contract finished, and the profit taken upon the contract is this much. Advances from the contractee is 40,000. Prepare contract ledger accounts and total contractees and show the working progress as it would appear in the balance sheet. Right? Come here. Contract account. See what is the material. So from here only I'll take. Material bought 6,000, wages 8,500. Material 6,000, wages 8,500. One by one we will take, not to worry. Working expenses 1,500, working expenses 1,500. Next, material issued from the stores 10,500. Material issued from the stores 10,500. Next, plant is 2,500. We will talk about the plant bit later. There will be two effects for the plant. If opening plant and closing plant is given, then you take opening one and closing one simultaneously. If only depreciation percentage is given, then take the depreciation. So we will put this aside for 1 second. Next, material returned to the supplier. It is a returns 450. Come back here. Material return to the supplier 450. Next, material return to the stores. This is also returns 550. Material stores 550. Next, work certified 15,000. You write work certified 15,000. Next, contract to finish, closing contract to value 22,500. 22,500. Right? See, something we missed. This one, administration we missed. 250 rupees belongs to the P&L. In the sense, 1,000 only belongs to the particular contract. So 1,000 for the admin. This one admin. So everything we got except work uncertified. This will be the balancing figure. What is uncertified we will see. And we have this one. We have this one, opening working progress 85,000. You take opening working progress. And I already told you cash received and advance received will not form part of your contract account. You should not write in the contract account. So what is a working progress? Is a working progress information given? 88,000. Work uncertified. Wait a second. Did we miss anything? Profit is also given. Okay. Profit information is also given. Profit taken upon the contract is 11,500. this information also given, 11,500 information also given. The plant information as it is he wrote, because the closing plant value is not given. At the same time depreciation value is also not given. So this is also given in the question. Plant is also given in the question and profit is also given in the question. When everything is given in the question, then this one will become the balancing figure. This one will become the balancing figure, that is a work uncertified. So you got this one, the contract account. Then what is asking again? Next one, contractee account. Contractee account. So what is a contractee account? See, last year he paid the cash, how much? 55,000 he paid cash. So 55,000 you write here. This year how much cash he paid again? Advance to the contractee. Advance from the contractee 40,000. You write 40,000 here. This is the advance we received. This is the amount last year we received from the contractor. So this is the amount. And next, work certified is contract work amount is this one. 22,500 contract is completed. So it has been given to him, to the contractee. See this one, 22,500. The balancing figure is this one. This is the contractee account. Next, balance sheet. How it would appear in the balance sheet? In the books of the contractor. In the books of the contractor. This one. What is the work in progress we have? This is the work in progress we have. This is a work in progress you write here in the contractee account. What is the cash received? What is the cash received? Cash received is, where it is given cash received? See, this one. This is the balancing figure as for the from the contractee. This is the amount should be written here. Means we received the, as a contractor, we received from the contractee this one, 72,500. This is the amount we received it. So in the balance sheet of the contractor, this is the amount as a asset. It is shown in as a asset, this one. Guys, are you understanding? Guru Nanak, very nice explanation, madam. Thank you. Atreya, understanding, madam. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Right. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. You can put the comment. I'll try to give the explanation. Right. So we will go to the next problem. The next problem here is the information given under has been extracted from the books of a contractor relating to contract for 3,75,000 rupees. This is a contract price. This is a contract price. See, the information is given for the 3 years. The information is given for the 3 years. Material, direct expenses, indirect expenses, wages, total work certified and uncertified, and plant is given for the complete 3 years. Now what is asking? He is asking the value, he is saying again the information. The value of the plant at the end of the 1 year was 4,000 rupees at the end of the 1 year, and at the end of the second year this much, and at the end of the third year is this much. It is customary to pay 90% in cash of the payment of work certified. Only 90% of the work certified we are getting as a cash. Prepare the contract account and show how the figures would appear in the balance sheet. Okay, not an issue. We can prepare. See, I'll show here from here. See, for the 1 year I'll show you. Material 45, direct expenses 1750. Material 45,000, direct expenses 1750. Next, indirect expenses 750. Indirect expenses 750. Right? Wages 42,500. 42,500. Total work certified 87,500. Work certified this side 87,500. Uncertified nil. So uncertified nil. Plant and the first year plant this side 5,000 rupees. So you got it. So in the same manner you write for the second year and third year. But wherever the attention is required, there I'll explain you. See, he said the value of the plant at the end of the year 1 is 4,000, 2,500 and 1,000 respectively for the 1 to 3 years. So here, come here, value of the plant 4,000, end of the first year, end of the second year 2,500, end of the third year 1,000. Value of the stock we have taken into consideration. Cash received only 90% of the work certified. So anyhow we will not write in the works cash received in the contract account, but we will be taking into consideration for the what is the amount to be transferred to the P&L. Right. So that's all guys. Here you have taken this one from this. See, from here the working progress, this total working progress, first year's working progress will be the opening for the next year. This one, not this one, this one, this total. This one will become the opening for the next year. Right? Right. You have added this one. So this one also you got it. Everything is from the previous year only, as it is from the previous year. Only change is for the second year. This is the working progress from the previous year will be carried forward to the next year as a opening working progress. Then after you got the profit, after adding this and deducting this, you will get the gross profit. This one total. So what is the gross profit you are getting? I'll do the calculation. 2,90,000 minus 87,500, 55,000, 62,500, 4,000, 57,500 minus 1,000. The profit we got is 78,750 rupees is a notional profit we got. But what is the amount to be transferred to the P&L and what is the amount to be transferred to the reserves? See, you check here. Percentage of completion of the working progress, degree of completion we can say, percentage of completion of project. How working progress by, sorry, not working progress, work certified. Work certified by contract price. What is the work certified? This one. 2,82,500 divided by contract price is 3,75,000. 3,75,000. So more than 75% in the sense you need to transfer 2/3 of notional profit into cash received by work certified. So 2/3 of notional profit is 78,750 into cash received. What is the cash received? Is said 90%. You can directly write 90% also. 90% of the works working progress is 90% of the working progress is received as a cash. So you can write 90% directly. So 78,750 into 2 by 3 into 90%. Yes, 47,250. This is the amount to be transferred to the P&L. The remaining amount, notional profit minus amount to be transferred to the P&L will be the reserves amount. Are you getting my point? Guys, please try to respond me. So you got it. For the first year, you got this is the P&L amount and this is the reserve. So here once again you need to understand one thing here. The reserve amount will be carried forward to the next year and this P&L will not be carried forward. This P&L will be to the balance sheet. So here working progress, this total working progress 2,87,500 will be the opening working progress for the third year and these are all from the previous year only. And one more thing guys, the closing plant of the last year will be the opening plant for the next year. So this is the opening plant for the next year. Getting the point? Here also the plant 2500, and here also the plant, where is the 2500 here? Right. This reserves will be carry forward to the next year, and next contract is completed in the third year. 3,75,000 rupees worth of the contract completed, and next again do the same calculation. You will get what is the amount to be, any of the project is completed, the entire amount you need to transfer to the P&L. This is a P&L amount. And coming to the balance sheet, first year what was the work in progress? This is a work in progress, 87,500. From this only 90% received. 87,500 into 90% received. This is a cash received. 87,500 was the opening, work in progress we had. From that 90% was received as a cash. So this is only the asset shown in the balance sheet, and the plant is also shown in the asset balance sheet. In the second year, you need to be very careful here. In the second year, 1 point, here directly you cannot take this one into 90%. See, you received the cash 90% on the work certified. So this one 90% into this one is the cash received. 2,82,500 into 90% is the cash received. See, 2,87,500 is the closing work in progress you have. This one you take it, but from this 2,82,500 only the cash is into 90%, into 90% only the cash received, that is 2,54,250, right? The remaining is a closing stock. And in the second year you have reserves here. This reserves you need to remove from the asset. So asset you have 33,250, from that you remove the reserves, that will be your asset plus the plant, whatever you have, the plant, closing plant. So this is a information guys. If you pay attention, you will understand. Okay. Guys, any doubt? Whoever is there online, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. No doubt? Okay. We will move to the next problem. A firm of engineers undertook 3 contracts beginning on 1st January, on 1st May and 1st August 2015. Their accounts on 30th November 2015 showed the following. See, there are 3 types of dates given when the project is started, that is the contract is started, and the books of accounts as on 30th November is given. So contract price for the different contracts, the contract price is given, material, wages, direct expenses, cash received for the work certified, and work certified is this one, cash received for the work certified is this much, and work uncertified is this one, wages outstanding, general expenses outstanding, plant installed, and material on hand. For the 3 projects is given. See, in the previous question it was for the 3 years, only one project for the 3 years, but here there are 3 different kinds of projects. On the respective dates of the contracts, the plant was installed, depreciation thereon being taken at 15% per annum. Okay, you are required to prepare accounts in the contract ledger. See, here also please guys pay attention. Small chota like tricky points, but if you don't understand those tricky points, I'm telling you the problem will be like solving of the problem is very tough. But I can tell you, if you understand these concepts, at least if you see how I am trying to say, then you will keep in your mind, then that will be easy for you when you are solving in the examination, right? So I'll take for 1 year. Contract price don't take now, put it aside. Material 14,400, wages 22,000 wages, but here we have outstanding wages. Wages, this is the amount, and we have outstanding wages. You take both together, 22,000 plus 700, that is the 22,700 is the wages. Wages amount. Material we have taken, wages also we have taken. Next thing, general expenses 800 and general expenses outstanding here 150. 800 plus 150 is nothing but 950. So general expenses 950. Next, cash received for the work certified. I told you once again, sir, I told you once again, I am telling you, cash received we will not take into consideration while writing the contract account. Cash received and contract price will be taken into consideration only for the percentage, like what is the amount to be transferred to the P&L. Work uncertified is given. Certified is 40,000, uncertified is 1200. Certified is 40,000, uncertified is 1200. You write it. Next, general expenses we have taken. Plant installed 4,000 rupees, but the depreciation value is given 15%. See here, guys, everyone pay attention. The plant is installed for the value of 4,000 rupees, but depreciation percentage is 15%. This is for the annum, in the sense divided by 12. But this plant was installed when the contract 1 was installed on the January 1st. But we are closing the books of accounts on 30th November, in the sense for the 11 months. Into 11 months. 4,000 into 15% divided by 12 into 11. That is 550. See, this is the calculation. For the respective contracts, you do it. And next one, material on hand, that is the closing material. Closing material 800. So, closing material 800. Right? Now, you calculate it for 1 year, I will show you. For 1 year, I will show you. 40,000 plus 1200 plus 800, that is 42,000 this side, minus 14,400 minus 22,700 minus 950 minus 550, that is 3,400. Here, this is the notional profit you got. But you should get the doubt what is the amount to be transferred to the P&L. For that, what did I tell you? Check the degree of completion, percentage of completion. Percentage of completion you take. How to check? What is a work in progress? That is a work certified. When the work certified, when the contract price is this much. What is the contract price? Contract price 80,000. Work certified is 40,000. Contract price is, work certified is 40,000 and contract price is 80,000. 40 and 80. Okay. This is a single project, guys. Single project. No further going. So, entire amount you can take into P&L. The project is finished anyhow. So, this one is done. Next one also same thing, guys. Same thing, you maintain it. See, in the previous problem, you have taken from the first year's closing stock to the second year one. But here, these are not the years. These are the different projects. You need to be very much careful while reading the question. These are 3 different projects. So, you cannot transfer this closing stock to the next year. Different projects. Got it? Right. See, next year. This notional profit you transfer to this one. From here, okay, whatever we did just now, that is a percentage of completion. We have seen 40,000 is a work in progress completed and 80,000 was a project price, that is a 50% completed. When 50% is completed, 2/3 into notional profit into cash received by work certified. So, if you substitute in this, you will get the answer for everything. Right, this much, guys, for this problem. You check. You have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, we'll go to the next problem. The following is the trial balance of the premier construction company engaged on the execution of contract number so and so. Don't read the number also. For the year ending 31st December 2015. Here amount received is given. Building, creditors, bank balance, capital, material, wages, expenses, plant. See, this is the again different kind of problem. From these different kinds of problems, you can expect one problem from now. So, here the work on this number, the contract number, was commenced on 1st January 2015. When it is commenced on 1st January 2015, the work was completed, started. Material costing 1,70,000 were sent to site of the contract, but those of 6,000 were destroyed in accident. When it is destroyed in an accident, you should transfer to the costing P&L. The wages 1,80,000 were paid during the year. The plant with a cost of 2 lakhs rupees was used from January to 30th September. See, this is a commencement date. And plant used when 2 lakhs worth of the plant used when it is used from 1st January to 30th September. In the sense 9 months only, the plant used for 9 months. The value of the plant was 2 lakhs rupees. Right. And then returned to the stores. Okay, then after it has been returned to the stores, material of the stock was 4,000 were sent at site on 31st December 2012. That is a closing stock, we can say. The contract was for the 6 lakhs rupees and the contractee pays 75% of the work certified. Work certified was 80% of the total contract work. See, what is the total contract work? On that 80% is the work certified. Work certified into 75% is paid as a cash at the end of the 2012. Uncertified work was this much on 31st December. Okay. Expenses are charged to the contract account at 25% of the wages. Expenses. Plant is to be depreciated at 10% for the entire year. Okay, guys, pay attention. This is somewhat tricky problem, I can tell you, but try to understand. See, material, so 1,70,000. See, again you get a doubt. When the material here is 2 lakhs rupees, why the material is taken 1,70,000? See, this is the information from the trial balance. This is the information from the trial balance. This is the end of the year information. This is on 31st December 2015. But during the year, the material used is 1,70,000. This one you see here, 1,70,000. So 1,70,000 material and 6,000 was destroyed due to accident, sent to the costing P&L, and 1,80,000 rupees were paid to the wages, paid as a wages 1,80,000. Plant 2 lakhs rupees was used during this period. So 2 lakhs rupees is a plant used for how many months? January to September. January to September, 9 months, right? 9 months. What is the depreciation percentage? Is he given depreciation percentage? 10%. This is for the 12 months. So 2 lakhs into 9 months into 10% divided by 12 is nothing but 15,000 is a depreciation. Okay. 10%. 2,50,000 total. Okay. Everyone pay attention here. See, totally we have plant worth of 2,50,000. From this, up divided into two parts. One is 2 lakhs, other one is 50,000. Pay attention, everyone. One is 2 lakhs, another one is 50,000. This 2 lakh worth of the machine, this 2 lakh worth of the machine is used only for the 9 months. 2 lakh worth of the machine is used for 9 months. And here this one used for complete 1 year, that is a 12 months. So come back here. So we can take in this way up to 9 months, up to 9 months. Up to 9 months, 2,50,000 worth of the machine was there with the this contract. So 2,50,000 into 10% for 9 months. So 2,50,000 into 10% into 9 divided by 12 is the 2,50,000 into 9 divided by 12 into 10%, that is 18,750. And after this 9 months, it has been sent to the like stores, means it has been sent to the company, means it is not used for this particular project. And this was used up to 9 months. We have taken the depreciation year under this, and remaining 3 months we need to take depreciation year. So for the 3 months, rest of the 3 months, I can say rest of the 3 months, 50,000 into 3 months for 10%. So you will get 50,000 into 3 divided by 12 into 10%, that is 1,250. So total put together you will get the depreciation as 20,000 rupees. I hope you understood. Depreciation part is done. And what did he say again? He said, next one, expenses 25%. From where expenses are charged to the contract 25% of the wages. What is the wages? 1,80,000. 1,80,000 into 25% is the expenses. This one, right? We got this one also. Costing P&L we have taken. What is the material stock at stock? What is the stock we have? This one we have already taken into consideration. Material of the cost 4,000 were at a site on 31st December. That is the closing stock. This much we have. Work in progress. Here everyone again pay attention. 6 lakhs rupees is the contract price. Contract price 6 lakhs. And the contractee pays 75% of the work certified. Cash received 75% of work certified. That is what given here. Next, work certified was 80% of the total contract. Work certified is how much? Work certified is 80% of contract price. 6 lakhs into 80%, that is 4,80,000. Right? So work certified is 4,80,000. You got it? And cash received is 75% of work certified. That is 4,80,000 into 75%. Cash received, I can say 3,60,000 rupees cash received. Cash received is 3,60,000. Right. So now what is uncertified? Is he given anywhere what is uncertified? Yes, given. Uncertified work was estimated 15,000. So 15,000. Everything you got, then you will get this as a balancing figure. I told you how to transfer and how much to be transferred to the P&L and how much to be transferred to the reserves and surpluses. I told you. You do that one, you will get this information. Next, profit and loss account. See, come back here. Profit and loss account. Here you got the profit of 45,000. You take into profit and loss here. Contractee, see here we have taken 6,000 rupees, sorry 600 rupees, sorry not 600, 6,000. 6,000 rupees to the costing P&L, that is a costing P&L, this is a loss, you take here. Depreciation here, oh I removed it, right? See 2 lakh worth of the machine used only till this period. Till what period? Till 30th September. So this period depreciation we charge it to this one, but the remaining 3 months, right? Remaining 3 months depreciation should be reduced from is P&L. So into 3 months, that is 3 by 12 into 10%. 2 lakhs into 3 by 12 into 10% is nothing but 5,000 rupees is the depreciation. You write here 5,000 rupees. That's what here. And expenses, it is given in the balance sheet, that is a trial balance 47,000, but 45,000 we have already charged to this particular contract. So remaining should be charged to P&L. So net profit you are getting 32,000. Understanding? Net profit you are getting 32,000. See guys, please try to respond me if you have any doubt. Are you able to understand or not? Please try to respond. Right. Next one, the work in progress. Work in progress, this one. This work in progress you take to the balance sheet as it is 4,95,000. What is the cash received? Cash received information is given in the trial balance 3 lakhs rupees. So as per the trial balance we received only 3 lakhs rupees is the cash. 3 lakhs. Remaining is 1,95,000. From that we kept something as a reserve 45,000. You remove the reserve from here. So you will get this is a work in progress value 1,50,000 rupees. And the bank value which is given in the this one, and material again here the point comes. You need explanation for the material also. See, come here. The material one here. See here material it is showing 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs material it is showing. But what is the material consumed here? Material consumed here. This is the material consumed. This last one you don't take into consideration, and this is a return. So total material it is showing. Total material showing 2 lakhs. From this, consumed is how much? Consumed is 1,70,000 minus 3,000, sorry 4,000, closing one, is nothing but 1,66,000 is the consumed, minus 2 lakhs, that is 34,000 is the 34,000 value of the material we have with us. That is 34,000. 34,000 value. And the plant value 2,25,000. How 2,25,000? You will get, you need explanation here also. The plant value is, here it is showing 2,50,000, but depreciation here we have taken for the particular project 20,000, and for the P&L we have taken 5,000. 25,000 depreciation we have taken. So total plant 2,50,000. From this, for a particular contract, depreciation 20,000 and P&L depreciation 5,000 is nothing but 2,25,000 is the plant cost. So you got this one. Next, come this side. What is the capital? Capital given in the question 5 lakhs rupees. Capital 5 lakhs rupees. Depreciation, sorry, yeah, 5 lakhs rupees. And P&L 32. What is the 32,000? Opening P&L. Come here. Somewhere it is given P&L 32,000. Okay, not an issue. I'll tell you. Creditors 72,000. Creditors 72,000. So creditors value we got, this one we got, this 32,000 is from this P&L, current year, not the opening one, current year. So this is a current year profit, this is a opening, capital, and this is a creditors. So the balancing figure, it will match because everything we have taken into consideration. Guys, are you understanding? Can we move further? Right. Next problem, a company of builders took a multi-stored structure for 40 lakhs. This is again different kind of problem, guys. You need to pay attention once again. A company of builders took a multi-stored structure for 40 lakhs, estimating the cost to be incurred is 36 lakhs 80,000. At the end of the year, the company had received this much, being 90% of the work certified, and work done but not certified, that is uncertified, this much. The following expenditure were given like this. Material, labor and plant. Material costing 20,000 were damaged. Okay, should be taken into costing P&L. Plant is considered as having depreciation at 25%. Okay, prepare the contract account and show all the possible figures that can reasonably be credited to the profit and loss account. This is comparatively easy, guys, I can tell you, but you pay attention. Material 4 lakhs, labor 10 lakhs, plant value is 8 lakhs, but depreciation is 25%. 80,000 into 25%, that is 20,000. Next, material costing 20,000 were destroyed, so you take into costing P&L. Plant is considered to have 25% depreciation, we have already taken. Prepare a contract account. Okay, here the information is given, 40 lakhs worth of the contract price is 40 lakhs. And the estimated cost is 36 lakhs 80,000. This is a estimated profit. We will say estimated profit. We use the word estimated profit. 3,20,000. At the end of the year, the company had received this much as a cash, as 90% of the work certified. So cash received is 14 lakhs 40,000, but it is representing only 90% of work certified. In the sense, we can say the work certified is 14 lakh 40,000 divided by 90%. That is 16 lakhs is the work certified. Right, come back here. 16 lakhs is the work certified, and uncertified value he has given 40,000. This is the uncertified value 40,000. Right, so everything we got. So this one is a balancing figure. I can say this is a notional profit or estimated profit, we can use the word. But these are the 4 formulas. Based upon that, you need to transfer to P&L. How? Come back here. There is a formula. I'll show you the formula. This one. See, these are the formulas. Estimated profit is this one, 2,40,000, 2,40,000. No. Estimated profit, not this one. Sorry, this is a notional profit. Estimated profit is this one. This one. Estimated profit is this one. 3,20,000. You got 3,20,000. Work certified is 16 lakhs. See, first one here only I'll write. Estimated profit 3,20,000. 3,20,000 into work certified. Work certified is 16 lakhs. 16 lakhs. And contract price is 40 lakhs. See this one 3,20,000 into 16 lakhs divided by 40 lakhs, that is nothing but 1,28,000. 1,28,000, you got it, this one. Are you understanding? Next one, into this one, what is the percentage of cash received? Cash received by cash work certified. What is the percentage of cash received? 90%, right? So to the same answer, for the same answer, you multiply with 90%. You will get 1,15,200. So this one is this one. Next one, estimated profit. You know what is the estimated profit? 3,20,000 into total cost to the date. Total cost to the date. As of now, what is the cost we have incurred? The cost as of now we have incurred is this one minus, okay, this is the total cost we have incurred, but here 20,000 belongs to the costing P&L. So remove 20,000. So you have incurred only 14 lakhs. 14 lakhs. This one minus this one. This one minus this one. Right? Divided by total cost. So what is the total cost? Total cost to the date and total cost for the completion of the project. Total cost was estimated is 36,80,000. 36,80,000. You are getting 1 lakh. Where I am going wrong? Okay. Sorry guys, this one. You take this total one, not this costing P&L. This costing P&L amount is also included for this project only, for this process only. So total cost this one. This is the total cost we have incurred. 4 lakhs plus 10 lakhs plus 20,000. That is a 14,20,000. 14,20,000 divided by 36,80,000. That is 1,23,044. 1,23,478. 1,23,478. This one is this one. And into 90%, cash received by cash work certified. 1,11,000. This one. 1,11,130. This one. Understood, guys? Any doubts? Are you understanding? Please try to respond me. Next problem. The following trial balance was extracted on 31st December 2015 from the books of Swastik Company Limited contractors. Debit balance and credit balance is given. What is the information? Share value is given. P&L. See, this is as on 31st December, in the sense I can say this is the ending one. This one as on 1st January 2015, in the sense this is the opening one. Right. Provision for the depreciation on machinery is this much. Cash received on account of contract is this much. Creditors, landed cost, machinery, bank. Contract 7, material, labor, expenses and material at site at the end of the project. Contract 7, that is a contract name, was begun on 1st January 2015. The contract price is this much. Contract price is this much. And the customer has so far paid this much. That is the cash received, being 80% of the work certified. So once again I'll show you. Cash received is 12,80,000, which is representing 80% of work certified. In the sense, work certified is 12,80,000 divided by 80%. The cost of the work done since certification is estimated. Cost of the work done since certification is estimated. In the sense, it is a uncertified one. Uncertified one, 16,000. On 31st December 2015, after the above trial balance was extracted, machinery costing 32,000 was returned to stores. Okay, the material then on site were valued at 27,000. That is a closing material. Provision is to be made for the direct labor due is 6,000 rupees outstanding, and for the depreciation of all machineries at 12.5% on the cost. Depreciation is also given. You are required to see, guys, this is also important problem. I can tell you, you can expect this type of problem also in the examination. Contract account, statement of profit, if any, to be properly credited to the P&L as on this, and balance sheet of the company as on the closing date. Right? Come here. See, material only for this one, this particular project, material is 6 lakhs, labor 8,30,000, plus there is a provision, that is a outstanding 8,30,000 plus 6, 8,36,000. Expenses 40,000. Expenses 40,000. Depreciation part we will see bit later. You put aside, depreciation part we will see bit later. Right? Next one, work in progress. This one, 12,80,000 divided by 80% is 16 lakhs. 16 lakhs work in progress. Uncertified, here I wrote already 16,000. And material at site, it is given 27,000. So depreciation part I didn't write. 12.5% of the on all the machineries. What is a machinery? See, machinery is, see, I told you earlier also, once again I am telling you, when machinery information opening and closing is given, it's better you take opening one this side and closing one this side. Opening machinery is given. Opening machinery is given where it is. Closing machinery is this one. Machinery at cost. And here the machinery, here it is given. Provision is this one. See, machinery here 52,000. Machinery 20,000. See, the machinery on site is 1,60,000. For the particular project, the machinery on site is 1,60,000. On this, 12.5% is the depreciation. That is 20,000. Right? Everything we got. So this is a balancing figure. The notional profit, I told you how to transfer, how much is to be transferred to the P&L and how much is to be transferred to the reserves. So you got this one, right? Next one, this profit will be taken where? This profit will be taken into the P&L account. This is 78,400. And the opening balance of P&L 25,000, which was given in the question here. Opening one, I told you while reading the question only, 25,000. So 25,000 here. This is the closing one. And next depreciation is 65,000. Sorry, 6,500. Why the depreciation 6,500 here? I'll tell you. See. Guys, you check this one, somewhere we missed it. You check this one. Depreciation, then remaining is the net profit. This net profit will be transferred to the P&L, sorry, balance sheet. And the capital 3,51,800. This is a given. And the creditors information 81,200. 81,200. This is the current year profit. This is the capital. And outstanding labor. We have seen the outstanding labor. You take this into consideration. Next, the machinery information. You check this one. I told you. See, what is the machinery we have, what is the provision we kept, and what is the depreciation we have taken. The difference is this one. Next, work in progress. What is the work in progress we have? This is the work in progress we have. Work in progress. The cash received is how much? 12,80,000. Just now we have seen somewhere. 12,80,000 was received as a cash. From this reserves, 68,600 reserves here. 68,600 reserves. And next you write the balance, building, land and building, bank and stock, which is given in the question itself. So this is this one. Next problem. Guys, are you understanding? How many problems we have actually? Next problem. Kapoor Engineering Company undertakes long-term contract which involves the fabrication of pre-stressed concrete block and the reaction of the same on the consumer's life. The following information is supplied regarding the contract which is incomplete on 31st March 2017. Cost incurred, fabrication cost to the date. Cost to the date as of now for the material, labor and overheads we have incurred, and erection cost to the date, this one totally to the date, this one. Next, contract price is this one, amount received is this much. Technical estimate of work completed to the date is technical estimate. See, whatever the work is done, that is the estimation that this much of the work is only completed. In the sense, remaining portion has to be done. Right? You are required to prepare a statement for submission to the management indicating the estimated profit on the completion of the contract and estimated profit to the date on the contract. So, two things you need to find out. See, come back here. Incurred till date, material 2,80,000, labor 90,000, overhead 75,000. 2,80,000, 90,000, 75,000. And erection 15,000. Erection 15,000 as of now we incurred. As of now we incurred. What is the percentage of completion? The percentage of completion is material 80, labor and overhead 75, erection 25. Come here. Material 80, labor and overhead 75 and 75, and this is the erection 25. So remaining portion has to be done. 2,80,000 representing 80%. Then what about for the remaining portion? Is a 20%, right? Remaining portion into 20%. That is a 70,000. So 90,000 divided by 75%. Then what about for the 25%? Into 25% to be incurred. Again, we need to incur in the future 25,000. So in the same manner, you calculate for the rest of the things. You will get, this is a to be incurred cost and this is a cost you have already incurred. The total cost is this much. So total cost of the project is this much and the contract price is anyhow given. So the total cost of the contract is this much. Contract price is given in the question. This is the estimated profit, we can say. So profit to the date, how to calculate? 1,89,000 is a net profit, estimated profit. And what is the 6 lakhs rupees? 6 lakhs rupees is the cash received. See, we have actually 4 formulas. If it is possible, you write as per the 4 formulas. I explained you right in the previous question. You use the same formulas, you will get this one answer. You substitute in this. Next one. The following particulars are obtained from the books of Vinay Construction Private Limited as on March 2017. Plant and equipment at cost is this much. Vehicle at cost is this much. Details of contract with remain uncompleted. This is uncompleted information. V1, V29 means there are 3 kinds of contracts. Estimated final sale price of the contract is this much. Estimated cost is this much. And the wages, this one. Material, this one. And overheads excluding depreciation, this much. So total cost, this is the total cost excluding depreciation. And value certified by the architect, that is a work certified, this much. And progress payment is received, that is a cash received for the 3 projects. Depreciation on the plant and the equipment and vehicle should be charged 20% to the 3 contracts in the proportion to the work certified. In what proportion? In the proportion to the work certified. Okay. You are required to prepare the following. What? Profit and loss account to be taken into P&L. Profit or loss to be taken into P&L for the year ending so and so. Working progress as would appear in the balance sheet. Okay, working progress and profit and loss account we need to find out. See, come here. Contract 1, expenses other than depreciation, this one. Other than depreciation, material, wages and overhead other than depreciation is 4.83 and depreciation is how much? 20% on the cost. See, this is the total cost. One is the plant and equipment and vehicle cost. On this 4,90,000 plus 2 lakh, that is nothing but 6,90,000 is the value of the asset. In this 20% is the depreciation. That is 1,38,000 is the depreciation. But for 3 projects, how to segregate? The basis is given here. See, to the 3 contracts in the proportion of the work certified. What is the proportion of the work certified to? I'll write here. 7.2 divided by 13.8 into depreciation how much? 1,38,000. Guys, please wait. There is a technical problem. Guys, please wait. There is a technical problem. Yes, got it. The depreciation is 7.2 upon 7.2 upon 7.2 divided by 13.8 into What is the depreciation amount? 1,38,000 into 1.38 L into 1,38,000, that is 72,000. So it is in the lakhs, so 0.72, that is 0.72. You come here, 0.72. So this is the expenditure excluding depreciation, and depreciation amount is this one. So total expenditure we have incurred this much. Yeah, come back here. Work certified is how much? Work certified is this one, 7.22. 7.22 work certified. Is he given work uncertified? Work uncertified information is payment received is given, but uncertified is not given. So no uncertified. Work certified is this one. So 7.2 this side. From this 7.2 minus 4.84 minus 0.72, that is nothing but 1.64 is the notional profit. Again, you for the everything you take in that way. This notional profit this side, and what is the amount to be transferred to the P&L and reserve, you know very well. I have explained you so many times, miss, in the previous problems. So you can do it. Next problem. Guys, any doubt? Right, next problem. A company is manufacturing building bricks and fire bricks. Okay, it is manufacturing building bricks and fire bricks. Both the products requires two processes, bricks forming and heat treatment. The requirement for the two bricks are building bricks and fire bricks. For forming 100 bricks, 3 hours required and 2 hours here in the same using. See guys, this is also important problem, can be expected in the exam. Right. So here is asking prepare statement of manufacturing cost for two variety of bricks. Come here. See, for 100 bricks, 3 hours are required, but we manufactured 1,30,000 bricks. So 1,30,000 bricks units we have produced. For 100 bricks, for 100 units, 3 hours are required. So for 100 bricks, 3 hours are required. 1,30,000 divided by 100 into 3, that is 3,900 rupees. Sorry, hours. So number of hours. $900 hours we are taking for the forming. Here this is the forming. For the forming, 70,000 bricks we produced. For the 100, 2 hours are required. Guys, please bear with me, there is a technical problem. So 70,000 units we produced. For 100 units hours, in the same manner you try for the fire also. Fire also. The fire is, for the fire, again showing technical problem guys. Guys, is my screen visible? If anybody is watching, like please let me know, is my screen visible? Guys, please try to respond me. I'm not able to see. Not visible, ma'am. Ramya. Mm. Guys, now please check. Is it visible? Okay, thank you, Ramya. Right. See, in the same manner, how we have calculated for the forming, for the same manner, in the same manner you calculate for the heating also. How many units? 1,30,000 units we are producing. For 100 units, 2 hours are required for the fire. 1,30,000 for 100 into 2, that is 2,600. And for the next one, 70,000 for 100 bricks, 70,000 divided by 100 into 5, that is the 3,500. So totally we can say for the forming these many hours are utilized, for the heating these many hours are utilized. For running these many hours, what is the cost we have incurred? What is the cost we have incurred? We will see what is the cost we have incurred. The cost incurred is, see, total cost of the two departments in 1 month is 21,000 for the heating, for running 5,300 hours, and for the forming, for the heating 48,800, for running 6,100 hours. In the sense we can say what is the per hour? 21,200 divided by 5,300, that is 4 rupees per hour. 6,100 divided by 48,800 divided by 6,100, that is 8 rupees per hour. Right? Come here. 4 rupees and 8 rupees we got it. Now we need to find out statements showing the computation of manufacturing cost for two varieties of bricks. For two varieties of bricks, what is the cost we have incurred? See, for the forming, for the building bricks, if you see, for the forming, for the building bricks, 3,900 hours we have taken. 3,900 hours. For the forming, what is the rate per hour? For the forming, rate per hour is 4 rupees. 3,900 hours we have taken for the forming, for the building bricks, into 4 rupees. So this one, 3,900 into 4 rupees, that is 15,600. In the same manner, for the forming fire bricks, for the forming fire bricks, 1,400 hours we have taken. 1,400 hours. For the forming, the rate is 4 rupees. So here 1,400 into 4 rupees, that is 5,600. So total put together, this is the cost. This is what we got here. 21,200. See, 21,200. You calculate the same thing, you will get next one also, heat treatment. Come here. Last problem for the day, guys. Deluxe Limited undertook a contract for 5 lakhs on 1st July 2016. On 30th June 2017, when the accounts were closed, the following details about the contract were gathered. What are the information gathered? Material purchased, wages paid, general expenses, plant purchased, material on hand. This is the opening date. Closing one only. Okay, you need to check the dates clearly. Material on hand, closing one, and wages accrued in the sense outstanding one, work certified, cash received, depreciation and work certified, work uncertified. The above contract contained an escalator clause which reads as follows. In the event of the price of materials and the rate of wages increase by more than 5%, the contract price would be increased accordingly by 25%. Okay, of the rise in the material cost and the wages beyond 5% in each case. See guys, this is also important problem, can be expected in the examination. Right. It was found that since the date of signing the agreement, the prices of material and wage rates increased by 25%. The value of the work certified does not take into account the effect of the above clauses. Okay, it is not taken into consideration. Prepare a contract account. Working should form part of your answer. See, this one you can do it easily. Only small trick I'll tell you. See, what is the material? Material 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Wages 50,000. 45,000 is the wages you paid, and there is a outstanding wages somewhere it is given. Wages here. Wages accrued here. Outstanding wages is given, that is a 45 plus 5, 50,000 is a wages amount. And general expenses, this one 10,000. You take the general expenses. Depreciation, it is given directly 5,000 depreciation. And work certified is also given, work certified 2 lakhs, work certified 2 lakhs. Uncertified 15,000. Material and hand is 25,000. This is a balancing figure. But you can ask me, what is there, madam, in this question? Why you are saying important? I'll tell you. See, because of this clause, this is the important. Because of this clause, this is the important. What is this? See, cost of the material and wages, how much? Cost of the material and wages 1 lakh plus 50,000. 1 lakh 50,000 is the cost of the material and wages, and there is a closing stock 25,000. So 1 lakh plus 50,000 minus 25,000. 1 lakh plus 50,000 minus 25,000 is this one. 1 lakh 25,000 is the cost of the material and wages we have incurred. And cost of the material and wages before increasing the price, this is after increasing the price. Before increasing the price, see, there is an increment of 25%. Before increasing 1 lakh 25,000 it is representing, but it is after increase of 15%, 25%. So before increasing it was 125% in this sense. Before increasing it was 1 lakh rupee. So this is a 1 lakh rupee. Increase in the contract price, how much should be increased? See, I'll write here. How much should be increased? 1,25,000 is the amount now you paid, but he said after 5%, up to 105% can be accepted. So 105% of this 1 lakh into 25%. That is what given in the question. See, 25% rise. So 1,25,000, 1 lakh into 105%, 1 lakh minus 1,05,000 minus 1,25,000, that is 20,000. 20,000 into 25% is nothing but 5,000. That is a increase in the contract price. Whatever the contract price they agreed, in addition to that 5,000 rupees will be paid extra. But this one you should not write in the contract account. You should not write in the contract account. Guys, I told you, as I promised you, I am giving my level best to complete the portion in the examination mode. So I hope you people will get benefit out of it. And if you feel this is important and beneficial for you, you please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends so that they'll also get benefited. So this is the last problem we have done, and as I'm telling you again, we are planning for the other subjects also, but depends upon your response and all. We will go further. We will take classes further based upon your response and your interest, how you are interested, and all we will take into consideration. Guys, that's all for the day. Thank you.